so I'm pretty sure I haven't showed you guys my setup. I was in the medium size planner, so now I'm in just the mini. I've never used the mini, and it's I'm adjusting to it. This is just one of Destiny's LOL doll thingy, and I like it, so I took it. So yeah, Maddie ripped this up. It was all nice and pretty. She ripped it up, I guess, because she saw her picture, so she just ripped it up. This was last week's spread, and this is this week's spread. So yeah, I'm getting used to it. I made this little clipper thingy, and it's so cute. But I'm getting used to this layout, and yeah, I mean, they have the mini sticker books, and this is where most of the stickers came from. And this side I just kind of wing it and stuff, and it turned out okay. I'm not a fan of the mini, but it's nice for now. Next year I'm gonna go back to, I'm gonna do something different next year. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys my setup for this year. And I found this little insert, this little zipper pouch, and it's so cute. So I just keep my quotes and stuff in here, the ones that can go in the little these little pockets. I just keep it there. I gotta fix this back because Maddie destroyed my stuff. But anyways, I'll see you guys. Hi guys, it's been a while. Yeah, so I'm on my way to go get my nails done. They are very atrocious, if that's even a word. Is that a word, honey? It's a word, right? So my husband is treating me to my nails being done because my nail guy is like 45 minutes away. So yeah, that's a bit a ways, and we're down to one car. So I'm gonna go get my nails done, and I don't know what color to put them in. I'm thinking pink and gold, or just straight gold. I'm kind of bored with the color, with choosing the color of my nails. Not getting my nails done, but the color is always. I don't like options. But anyways, that's what we're doing. We're now sitting to get the car washed because with all the snow and the salt and stuff on the car, so we're sitting in this long line to get our car washed and stuff like that. So that's what we're doing right now, and then I have to do this one here before the weekend is over because I've been saying that for the longest and I haven't done it. So I need to get her hair done, and I'm thinking of starting back up lunch videos tomorrow. I'm not sure, but I want. We sat here all this time. We sat for like 35 minutes just to get our car washed. Like, that's dedication. That's serious dedication, because I could have gotten my nails done, but my husband decided he wants to sit and wait for it's rocking the car. It's so dark. Isn't that cool?
It's cool.
Maddie's sleeping. Maddie's sleeping through the whole thing. She's like, I don't care about no car wash. Jackson think it's really cool.
It is?
I've seen it before.
You've seen it before?
Yeah.
Yeah, what was like the $7? We paid what, $7? $9?
So the $7 was, the $7 didn't include the undercarriage.
It didn't.
The $9 included the undercarriage wash. Which is what I wanted.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
I wanted to wash underneath.
Oh, okay. They're done? Okay, because I'm like, for $9, they better wash the whole car twice. It's pissing on our car, babe. Look, why is it pissing on our car? Stop it! That is so cool. I think we're done now. I think it's done. But I'll see you guys once I get my nails done. Guys, I couldn't show you guys my nail guy because it was so packed in there. But
Well, it would have been weird.
yeah, it would have been weird. It was like really packed, and I was like, I can't show you guys my nail guy, and he was busy, so it was a mixture between him and his wife that did my nail. His wife took off the old polish and filed down my nails. I had 4 fixes. I had to get 4 fixes because I waited too long, but I got blue. I wanted gold and pink, but I just came out of pink, so I was like, I don't want pink. So I got blue. These change colors, and not the best color choice, but whatever. And I changed the shape of them. So before I had stilettos, and these now are coffin, I think they're called. But yeah, I love them. He fixed this guy. This one is more fragile now because this broke off. Don't mind my face. I'm switching, I switched face washed, and my whole face is breaking out, so I'm going back. Because before I was using Purity by Philosophy, and I ran out, and my husband is like, I'm not buying you a $50 bottle of face wash. So now if you see my face, it's like breaking out from this face wash that I'm using, and I'm about, once that finish, I'm gonna finish it up. Then once that finished, I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna finish it up. Isn't that how you say it, babe? Babe. He's over here telling me to learn to speak, but he won't teach me. I'm going to finish the bottle of face wash, and then I'm going back to Purity. But I don't know if I can live with the breakout, because there's one here, a whole bunch here, under here. But I think it's just my face, you know, acclimating. Is it is my face getting used to the...
No one knows what you're trying to say.
You guys know what I'm trying to say, right? My husband is just being a brat. Say hi, Roberto.
Hello.
He's making peanut butter and banana because he's hungry. Is that for you or Gio? Yeah. So yeah, I couldn't show you guys Tony because it was packed. It was like really packed in there. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night, people.